Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 10 is up to date and that you're signed into your Microsoft account because widgets often require platform services. Once done, open the Microsoft Store and search for the Widgets or News and Interests app. Make sure optional components like WebView 2 are enabled in settings if prompted. You'll then click Install or Get. This initiates the widget host and places a quick launch icon on your taskbar so you can add widgets immediately. Next, open the widget panel from the taskbar icon and choose Add or the plus button to reveal available widgets. You'll see choices like Weather, Calendar, News, and Notes. Click a widget to add it and then immediately configure its source or location settings so it shows relevant content. After placement, drag to reposition and use the resize handle to scale. This keeps the panel efficient. Make sure to sign into any third-party widgets to enable full functionality and syncing across devices. To finish, pin frequently used widgets to your taskbar or keep them in the widget pane for quick access, and adjust background and permission settings so content updates properly. If a widget looks blank, check app permissions and network access and then restart the widget process from Task Manager. End the host process and reopen the panel. If problems persist, reinstall the widget app from Microsoft Store. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the widget cache or reset the app before seeking advanced fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.